You think I need a hair transplant? The boys are scrambling Northwood. Vin9, me,
Donnie Darts.
Donnie. Oh. Oh, that's fucking incredible. You think I need a hair transplant?
I mean, if it makes you feel better, dude.
Would you go 50-50 with me on a hair transplant?
No, I'd help you orchestrate like a GoFundMe.
If you won the lottery, would you get me a hair transplant? That's gotta be a yes.
It doesn't bother me.
You wouldn't buy me a hair transplant.
I like having bald friends.
Everybody likes having bald friends.
Really good.
Solo bird? Oh! Crispy dot, crispy dot. That wasn't that good. One more. Fuck. Fuck. Perfect dot.
Know him right now.
Come on, hold on.
No, flag in.
Okay. Oh! Come on, Ben.
Oh.